Have you ever spent the whole week waiting for the weekend? If yes, here is a simple way to stop doing that. First, make a list of everything you could not finish during the week. Do not make it short. Add the laundry. Add the grocery shopping. Add the cleaning. Add the bills you avoided. Add the messages you forgot to reply to. Then, save all of them for Saturday. This is very important. Do not spread them across the week. Let them grow quietly. By Friday night, your weekend should already have a full schedule. On Saturday morning, wake up and start with the laundry. While the washing machine is running, clean the kitchen. After that, go grocery shopping when the shops are crowded. Come home and put everything away. Then clean the bathroom. Then vacuum the house. Then cook something proper because you said you would eat better. If someone asks for help, say yes. If there is a small problem, fix it immediately. If you feel tired, remind yourself, this is my free time. On Sunday, continue the system. Change the bed sheets. Take out the rubbish. Prepare your clothes for the week. Check your emails. Pay anything that needs to be paid. Organize your bag. Plan your meals. Clean one more thing that nobody will notice. By Sunday evening, sit down for the first time. Look around the quiet room. Notice that everything is finally done. Then look at Monday morning. That is how you stop waiting for the weekend. Suddenly, Monday morning feels like a holiday. Let's quickly review what you've learned.
Do laundry. Clean the kitchen. Go grocery shopping. Clean the bathroom. Vacuum the house. Cook something proper. Change the bed sheets. Take out the rubbish. Prepare your clothes. Check your emails. Pay the bills. Organize your bag. Plan your meals.
So, if your weekend feels busier than your week, you are not alone. Practice these lines again, and I'll see you in the next one.